Morning, Mr. and Mrs. G. I'm just going to take you for a run through of your caravan. This is a video version of it. Obviously, by the point you receive this, you'll have a full handover. Inside of the van, by the door, we've got the master power switch. So when I hit this switch here, all the power internally will go off. Back up here, power on. You've got your voltmeter for the screen at the top, tells you what level your battery's got in it. You've got your awning light for the outside of the caravan, and you've also got your interior lights, which will turn off the roof lights that run on 240 volt. Sorry about the blurriness on the camera, it's because I'm holding it so close. With the water pump, you'll connect the water pump up on the outside, and before you even turn this on, you'll come underneath the seat at the front of the caravan to the drain down switch. And what you'll do is, that yellow valve just there, you'll push it down into a flat position, so it lays flat down the floor. And then once you have done that, you can go to the taps. At the moment, just so you know, that valve is open, so it drains down the water systems. Currently, there is no water in the caravan. The reason for that is, if it froze up overnight, as it has been very cold, it could have potentially cracked the boiler and the water pipes around the caravan. Last thing to do before you open the pipe, turn the pump on, is go to your tap and turn it onto the hot side and have the tap fully open. You'll also do this in the bathroom, and you'll also do it in the shower at the same time. Once you've done that, you can hit the pump inside the van, and that will turn on the water pump itself. When the system's full, you'll have water coming out of all the taps around the caravan, and that will mean the water system is bled and ready to use. At that point, you can come over to your control panel up here. So to operate your heating, you'll press the middle button here. The control panel will already be on. You select the temperature by going up or down on this dial here. Once you click the middle button to go into it, click the middle button to set. You've then got your water temperature, which you can set 40, 60 or boost, which we're going to leave that turned off for now. You've then got your power supply coming into the caravan. So you've got electric 2, electric 1, mix 2, mix 1 and gas on its own. On the end then, you've got your fan speed, high, eco or boost. We're going to leave it on high for now. We're then going to go across to the timer, so you can set a time for your heating. You can select the time you want the heating to come on at, 9 for instance, and then you want it to go off at 12. You then select the temperature you want the caravan to warm up to, so in this instance 20 degrees. You don't want the water to come on, but you can select 40, 60 or boost again. Then you've got your power supply coming into the van, which is electric 2. And then you want your fan on eco. Timers are on, and that is your timer set for your heating. For now, I'm going to turn that off so it doesn't try kicking in. Next one across is your clock symbol, clock, so you can go in there and adjust your clock if we're going an hour forward or an hour back. And then on the end here, you've got your spanner symbol, which is for the engineers, and you do not need to worry about that at all. Fridge. Pretty self-explanatory. You've got power on. At the moment it's trying to ignite on gas. When it fails to ignite on gas, it will flash the blue symbol. It'll also put the red light on here. If you're on gas, you can select the temperature on this button just here. Electric, same idea. And then 12 volt for when you are towing. Obviously it's flashing at the moment to let me know I'm not connected to any 12 volt power source. Cooker works exactly the same as your household cooker. The only difference being, if you are trying to operate the oven or grill, you do need to have the hob lid open so that the gas flows through to both them particular items. In the bathroom, electric flush on the toilet, and then you've got your waste flap at the bottom, as you can see. Taps work exactly the same as your household. And then the microwave itself is an eco microwave. So you've got an eco button just here, and as you can see it comes on and that will power up the microwave. While you're travelling, you do need to remove the microwave plate. All the light switches around the caravan are next to or underneath the particular light you're looking at. So if you've got any more questions, please do give us a call on 01933 682 888. Thank you very much. Bye bye.